Hey everybody, I'm gonna cook myself this, and if you eat microwave meals, you know that this is microwave meal. My brother and my mum are currently working right now, so that's how I can cook my dinner. So let's learn, well not learn, but let's cook. First, let's just take out this. Then here. So what's the first thing? First thing. I should do. So 4 done. On there. And now I have to pierce. That's enough piercing. Now we just need the eyebrow. I'm joking. Okay. That should be done. That's now in the microwave. You can see the bloody, like, wash machine. When that's cooking, we do something else. I would stick on TV, but I won't. Might. Here we go. Window. Well, now I am on, as you can see by my face. Now let's surf the web first. Thirsty. Oh god. You do one thing and you change your browser to your... Okay, now change my web browser for like Google Chrome now. Because like all computers, there's no just Google Chrome. You have to, it comes with like Microsoft Edge. Yay! Chrome is better. But for Microsoft rewards, like Microsoft Edge is better, obviously.